Welcome. Today in front of me OnePlus 10 Pro, and I'll show you how to turn on or turn off wireless power sharing on this device. So first you should go into the settings application and then scroll down here to the battery section. After that, here click to the advanced settings and tap to the wireless charging settings. Now just click here to quiet charging. We can change it here always on bedtime, or just to set start and the end also. And here, if we'll go back, we will click to the reverse wireless charging. And now just to activate it, click here once on the switcher, and you can also here change the time when the wireless charging will disable. For example, now it will disable when our battery will low then 25%. We can set here the custom just percents. For example, in our case, let's say was 30. And just if you want to turn it off, to turn off these options, you should just turn off the switchers, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.